Hi, I'm Craig from Equipmed. When you're looking for an assisted mobility solution for yourself or for a loved one, we know how important making the right decision is. Now, if you're wondering how best to decide between a power wheelchair or a mobility scooter, here's some help. Essentially, a wheelchair is best if walking any distance is a challenge, or if you can see that being the case in the future.
Power wheelchairs also have a smaller footprint and are great if they'll be used in confined areas like inside residences, popping out to a convenience store, or visiting cafes.
They can fold compactly should you need or want to take it on a day out or even a long holiday. As you can see, Equipmed's PowerCruise is an extensive range of powered wheelchairs. I'm going to take you through the range and help you find the one that best suits your needs. Now, about the full PowerCruise lineup. Comfort is at the forefront of our products. We use high-quality polyfoam padding, stylish durable seat covers, easy-to-use ergonomic controllers, and a variety of personal storage options. All our chairs are equipped with dual motors, automatic downhill speed control, a seatbelt, anti-tip wheels, and maintenance-free batteries. And they all have removable batteries so they can quickly fold or break down for easy transportation. Now let me show you the various models of PowerCruise wheelchairs in more detail so you can find the right model. At the start of the range is the very budget-friendly PowerCruise DS. It's a sturdy and reliable model. If the primary use is in and around the home, perhaps visits to the corner shop, or short trips to the park, this model could be a good fit. The DS is powered by a lightweight lithium-ion battery with a maximum range of about 12 kilometers on a single charge. The DS has a comfortable foam-padded seat and backrest, a convenient pocket and zip-up side storage pouch for personal items. Large 24-inch puncture-proof rear tyres roll smoothly over bumps and don't need filling with air. While the DS is great indoors, it can also be used outdoors on paved or smooth unpaved paths. The armrests fold up and the footrests stow away or are easily removable for sitting at tables or transferring in and out of the wheelchair. The DS folds and is compact enough to fit in a standard boot or hatchback. The Equipmed PowerCruise DS comes in two colors and gives you all the convenience you need in a reliable and affordable package. The PowerCruise LongRange XL has all the great features of the DS model, but has a longer 20-kilometer range and an extra wide 52 centimeter seat, which is the widest in the range. Its 130 kilogram carrying capacity is suitable for bariatric care, and the adjustable length footrests make it comfortable for riders of most sizes. The rear shock absorbers are paired with wide 16-inch air-filled tyres that absorb bumps, giving a more comfortable ride on rougher paths. This is a great solution for more independent individuals planning on taking advantage of the long 20-kilometre maximum range for extended outings in the city or a Saturday in the park. The armrests fold up for sitting at tables, and the footrests swing away for transferring in and out of the wheelchair. The affordable LongRange XL model is designed with bigger and taller users in mind. It's customizable and offers an extra long range. The XL's all-day comfort is a step beyond the ordinary powered wheelchair. The PowerCruise Venture series is a stylish range and also lightweight. The Ventures have a range of up to 15 kilometers. They're quite agile with a 100 centimeter turning circle. The 6-point suspension system is matched with 8-inch front wheels and 12.5-inch air-filled rear tires for a comfortable ride. The lightweight portability will be appreciated by carers who need to lift into a car boot. Moving the chair when folded is easy with the integrated transport wheels.
For the traveller, the Venture Plus and the Venture Comfort Plus models use dual lithium batteries.
They're approved by most airlines for cabin transport, but be sure to confirm with your airline before making a booking. The Venture Comfort Plus comes with a headrest and remote control. The Venture series are stylish and feature-packed, especially for their prices, making them a popular choice with many buyers. The PowerCruise Transit Plus
is the perfect transit chair for travellers, the occasional user, and those who may not have the space required by a larger chair.
The Transit Plus is a super lightweight, compact aluminium chair. It's only 17 kilograms with batteries removed, which is great for anyone who needs to lift it. This model has a generous range, enabling it to carry a 100 kilogram rider up to 18 kilometers. It's designed with all the great features and benefits of the Venture series in mind. Front caster suspension and 12-inch air-filled tyres for a comfortable ride. The dual lithium-ion battery system is approved by most airlines for in-cabin transport. This chair also has a digitally secure Bluetooth remote control to move the chair out of the way or retrieve it without assistance, or for a carer to take control. If space and portability are your priorities, the PowerCruise Transit Plus does it with comfort and style. The PowerCruise Premium series is our deluxe full support range of powered wheelchairs. They all have reclining high-backed seats with integrated headrests and independently adjustable leg rests with contoured calf support for optimal comfort and functionality. The premium range models support users up to 130 kilograms in weight. The first model in the lineup is the Premium XL. It has a reclining feature designed to be adjusted by a carer or companion. The chair is bariatric care suitable with the 52 centimetre wide seat for passengers up to 130 kilograms in weight.
The legs are independently adjustable for maximum comfort,
making this model comfortable for riders of all sizes. It has a range of 12 to 15 kilometres on a full charge, and with large 22-inch air-filled tyres, it offers a comfortable ride. The second model in the lineup is the LongRange Premium XL. It also has an extra wide 52 centimetre seat. The long range means it has an impressive 20 kilometre maximum range. The pneumatic strut-assisted reclining back is easily adjusted. The 16-inch air-filled rear tyres have adjustable spring suspension, and the front 10-inch casters are spring-mounted. Now that means that the LongRange XL model gives you a more comfortable, superior ride. Topping out our premium series is the LongRange Premium Plus. The backrest and the independent leg support angles adjust with a convenient Bluetooth remote control. It has our standard 48 centimetre seat and still carries a 130 kilogram passenger. It has the same great 20 kilometre range. The LongRange Premium Plus gives your loved one with limited mobility the assistance they need to maintain independence and get the most out of their powered chair. This model has adjustable spring rear suspension and 10-inch spring-mounted front casters. The Premium Plus gives you more comfort, more support, more independence, all in a superior ride. This is our PowerCruise Paramount long-range model, a luxury solution for more independent users. This heavy-duty powered chair has a luxurious seat design of high-density foam rubber, covered in water and stain-resistant vinyl with a supple leather feel. The seat pivots 360 degrees, it is adjustable, and reclines 110 degrees for customizable comfort. The wide wheels have 10-inch shock and vibration-absorbing foam-filled airless tyres for a smooth ride. The Paramount model is capable of long, enjoyable trips thanks to the manoeuvrable design and luxurious seat. All of this without the heavy-duty price tag. The PowerCruise Prestige LongRange is our top-of-the-line solution. This is the luxury option for independent users. The highly manoeuvrable Prestige has a smooth and comfortable ride provided by front synchronous drive motors that are matched to 14-inch air-filled tyres. The dual-shock cantilever suspension also gives it unparalleled agility and stability. With a super long range of 35 kilometers, the Prestige lets you do it in comfort and in style. The Prestige Long Range can go places other models just can't. This top-of-the-line model can go further and faster, has an ultra-plush customizable seat, and can cater for the tallest riders. Whether using the PowerCruise Prestige Long Range on public transport, all day in the park, or attending your favorite sporting event, you have everything you want in a powered mobility solution. I hope this run-through of the Equipmed PowerCruise electric wheelchair range has given you a good idea of which model or models are going to be the best choice. In our extensive range, there's a solution that makes life easier. For more detailed information about each product, visit equipmedcare.com.au. And thanks for watching.